Introducing the Celimo Prevail MT, purpose-built for the boldest off-road excursions and everyday adventures alike. A deep, aggressive off-road tread design provides durable off-road protection, while robust stone ejectors prevent stone retention and drilling. An aggressive upper sidewall enhances off-road traction while shielding the tire from punctures. Angled biting edges and siping optimize traction and performance in on- and off-road environments. Embrace every adventure with the Celimo Prevail MT, designed for unmatched durability and traction, both on and off the road.